This is our live shot this morning. Matter of fact, I think this is everybody's live shot this morning. First day of school on the Missouri side, Kansas City Public Schools. How you doing? Today finds us in Olathe. We had a live shot about this little project here where they're building some bars and stuff, basically bars and restaurants. And they've done a lot to this area. They tore down the Art Deco 1940s courthouse, which I'm very sad about, and built a brand new courthouse. So I just talked to somebody in there, and they said that they're saving a lot of money with the efficiencies that they built in, like, you know, putting solar everywhere and everything. I don't know if they did that at the new courthouse, but it's definitely not a very courthouse-like building. It's it looks like a corporate office building, really. And when we do live shots down here all the time, the trains would come through, they'd blare their whistles all the way through, and you could hear it in a lot of our live shots if you ever look back in the past, whenever we were live here. And now they're not allowed to blow their horns, apparently. No turn on red. That's becoming a standard these days. No turn on red. The sun flare. Oh, it's probably coming from up here. Yeah, right there. I've always felt like downtown Olathe was all about government. There's not a lot of retail here, or there's a few restaurants, but a lot of it's law firms. And there's a bike shop here. I should check this out. I think I'm going to do that if I can get across without drawing any undue attention. You didn't see this. Let me check out their bikes here. Because, you know what? I think it's past 11. Oh, definitely past 11. Alrighty then. Well, let me tell ya. Now I'm facing the wrong way, and I'm not going to do a U-E in the middle of the street. But I was very surprised. I asked if I had a recumbent. He said, "Yep, right above your head." And it was hanging up right over the doorway. Only $4,040, but it's probably really good quality. American made, or they call it what? Cat trike. And picked his brain. He offered a lot of information. It was very good, very, very helpful. Alright, I think we can make a right turn here. Amazing. So amazing. And public parking. Can you pass through there? I don't think so. It's just a block. Go over the railroad tracks. Risk getting run over or stopped by a train. See a little bit of the Olathe residential scene here. Olathe seems like a pretty nice town. I think a lot of people like living out here. There's good schools, and it has had some problems, but what town doesn't? And a lot of people are wanting to live out here. You know, there's a lot of effort and energy talking about taxes and people complaining about taxes. Me and my reporter were just talking. Said, well, you know, but people like really good parks and good schools and responsive first responders when they need them, and all that stuff costs money. And so, you know, nobody likes to really pay taxes, but nobody likes to go without services. And if you do, then you don't want to live here. So the people that are really rabidly against taxes, it's probably best if they live out in the country where, you know, taxes are low, because the services and the quality of services aren't really there. You have to be more self-reliant. Oh, I was going to go the other way. Make up my mind. That over there on the right hand side of the screen is the new courthouse. Oops. Hold on, I have a red arrow. Don't go against the arrow. Well, anyways, it's time to head back. Actually, I'm going to Pendleton Heights, I think, and I need to talk to the owner of that place about the stuff we're doing with bands. But yeah, that's on my docket for the day. Pendleton Heights. Let's go get some coffee.